Morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be reviewing related facts. Related facts are when you use the same three numbers to do addition and subtraction problems. They're called related because they use the same three numbers. So let's do this one up here. If I want to do an addition problem, I have to choose the two smallest numbers. So 2 and 3 are smaller than 5. So we're going to do 2 plus 3 equals 5. And 3 plus 2 also equals 5. Now, when you're doing the subtraction related fact, you need to use the biggest number first both times. So the biggest number is 5. 5 take away 3 equals 2. And 5 take away 2 equals 3. Okay? They all have the same three numbers. This one has a 5, a 3, and a 2. This one has a 5, a 3, and a 2. This one has a 5, a 3, and a 2. And this one has a 5, a 3, and a 2. So you have to make sure that the numbers in the problems are always the same as the numbers in the circle. Okay, so with this one, I'm going to do the two smallest numbers, which are 3 and 4, to do my addition fact. 3 plus 4 equals 7. And 4 plus 3 also equals 7. Now, the subtraction problem, like I said, we're looking for the largest number. That would be 7. 7 take away 3 equals 4. And 7 take away 4 equals 3. Now, if I want to make sure that these are correct, I'm going to double check that I have only the numbers in the circle in my math problems. So this one has a 3, a 4, and a 7. This one has a 3, a 4, and a 7. This one has a 3, a 4, and a 7. And this one has a 3, a 4, and a 7. Please remember that always with the addition, the two smallest numbers go first. And with the subtraction, the largest number has to go first. Next set of problems, we have an 8, a 5, and a 3. My two smallest numbers are 5 and 3. So those are the ones I'm going to add. 5 plus 3 equals 8. And 3 plus 5 also equals 8. Subtraction, I'm looking for the largest number, which is 8. 8 take away 3 equals 5. And 8 take away 5 equals 3. Again, check for the same three numbers in the circle and make sure that there's no other number other than an 8, a 5, and a 3. And you can see that's the case with all of these. Okay, the next one. We have an 11, a 6, and a 5. Two smallest numbers. 6 plus 5 equals 11. And 5 plus 6 equals 11. Largest number first on subtraction. 11 take away 6 equals 5. And 11 take away 5 equals 6. Same three numbers on all of them. An 11, a 6, and a 5. 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 Okay, the next one. 5, 4, and 9. We are going to take the two smallest numbers, which are 5 and 4. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 4 plus 5 also equals 9. Largest number first on subtraction. 9 take away 5 equals 4. And 9 take away 4 equals 5. Okay, two more to go. We have a 6, a 4, and a 2. This one, the largest number, is going to go with the subtraction problems. I know that's 6, so I'm going to look for the two smallest numbers, which are 4 and 2. 4 plus 2 equals 6, and 2 plus 4 equals 6. Largest number we said was 6. 6 take away 4 equals 2, and 6 take away 2 equals 4. Okay, Same three numbers, 6, 4, 2. Always double check, because sometimes we forget and we put the smaller number in front and the number sentence doesn't make sense. Or sometimes we have a number that's not in the circle. So we need to double check every time that you have the same three numbers, 6, 4, and 2. 6, 4, and 2. 6, 4, 2. 6, 4, 2. 6, 4, 2. Okay, last one we're going to do is a 10, a 6, and a 4. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Largest number in that group is the 10. So we're going to do 10. Take away 6 equals 4. And 10 take away 4 equals 6. Okay, we've done all of these together. I want you to get out your math journal or a piece of paper. My class has a math journal that looks like this. I think the other two teachers might have a different looking math journal, but again, you can just use a piece of paper. And I want you to put these numbers in a circle and write related facts at the top. And the first circle should have a 9, a 3, and a 6. And the second circle should have an 8, a 6, and a 2. And I'd like you to make 2 sets of fact families with the same 3 numbers, 2 addition and 2 subtraction problems, and then bring them to your next class meeting so we can see how everyone did. Hope you have a great day. Bye.